This is Maci. This is Maci, and Maci is bored that we're not playing fetch with her in the pool. Get it, Maci. Do it yourself. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Maci?
Get it. Get it.
Where'd it go?
Get it. Where is it? Get it.
I don't know where she just put it. Oh, man.
Go retard, Maci.
Oh, got it? After a while, she gets bored, and see the thing over there? And she'll throw it in for herself. Someone please do throw it for me. No, you do it, Maci. You do it. No, you do it. Throw it, Maci.
Why don't we shake it?
That's not gonna work, Maci. Woohoo! Good girl! And she will do this over and over again until until somebody plays with her. She'll continue to throw it in for herself after a while. Nope. Good girl, Maci. You do it. Get it. Get it. She puts it right here. She thinks I'll do it. Okay, fine. I'll do it this time. Whatever. That's a piece of a tune-up tennis ball, just so you know. Get it, Maci. Get it.
Get it, Maci. Go get it. Go get it. You better get it. Go get it.